Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Orifice Spud in a GE Range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a ratchet with a 9/32 head with an extension and some masking tape. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Orifice Spud. This Orifice Spud is used for the LP gas. It's mounted on top of one of the gas supply tubes for the two medium-sized burners on the left. The Orifice Spud controls the amount of gas entering the burner. In other words, the maximum burner heat output. It has a marking on the top, L289. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it's been lost during the conversion from LP to NP gas. To get to the Orifice Spud, we need to remove the burner grate, then the burner cap, and then the burner base. And now, after we remove the grates and the burners, we can see the spud right there in the middle of the opening. Now we're going to use a 9/32 socket head, and before we're going to put it down onto the orifice, I'm going to show a little trick here. I'm going to peel a little bit of the masking tape. Have a little piece off. And then we're going to form a little ball. And place it inside the head. So now we're going to put it down onto the orifice spud and unscrew it, turning it counterclockwise. I'm going to pull it off, and here you go. That's an old part we're going to replace. This is the old Orifice Spud next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is the new Orifice Spud, and we're going to insert it into the socket head. Make sure it's glued to the tape. And now we can carefully place it into the opening. And turning the wrench clockwise, and I'm gonna tighten it. Do not over tighten it. As far as it goes, do not force it anymore. Now we can put the burner base back in and install the burner cap, and the last would be the burner grate. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.